Did you know XRP just shot up by 7%? In the next few seconds, you'll find out why. XRP's price surged to 64 cents. That's the highest since March 25th. The main reason? Ongoing speculation. Traders are buzzing about a possible settlement. This settlement is for the SEC lawsuit against Ripple. But there's more. The SEC amended its complaint against Binance too. This change has traders very excited. Why? It hints at a possible resolution. Optimism is high in the trading community. People believe a big announcement is near. This could mean major moves for XRP. Wondering what's next for XRP? Stay tuned for more updates. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for the latest in crypto news.